Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 and divided by 6. So stop the video and try yourself. Can you solve this question? If you cannot solve it, then in this video I can solve these questions step by step. So guys, our solution is, guys, whenever an expression there are more than one division, then we can solve it from left to right. So guys, firstly 6 divided by 6, which is equal to 1, divided by 6 divided by 6. Now guys, here I can write it as 1 divided by 6 divided by 6. Now guys, here I can use a rule which is KCF, where K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. I can write this as, so the next step is 1 divided by 6 times 1 divided by 6. Now here numerator is multiplied to numerator and denominator is multiplied to denominator. So our final answer is 1 over 6 times 6 equal to 36. This is the final answer of this expression. Guys, if anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel.